Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. Now Alibaba is a known supplier for B2B or business to business that supply products like in bulk. So you go ahead and apply or contact the manufacturer that you want to work with, and make sure to order some samples first for your product, of course depending on your niche. And once you are good to go, unfortunately, till the moment of recording this video, there is no official way to link or import the products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. Now, the one thing you could do is, once you decide your product here, let's say I want to sell these t-shirt, this soccer t-shirt, you can go ahead and download the photos and copy the description, and make sure here to contact the supplier and negotiate the price and shipping and everything, and go ahead to Shopify and go to products and add product here manually. So you are going to add the product manually, and in the title here you would want to go ahead and copy the title from Alibaba, paste it here. The description as well, you can go ahead to Alibaba and copy the description or the key attributes here, and paste them into your Shopify product page, and make sure to copy as well the size guide or the size details here if you want to, and go ahead and copy the variables, the sizes, so make sure to copy them all at the same size variables. And for the price, depending on the number of items, let's say I want to order 1,000 pieces, so it'll be for $4.50. So you would want to sell it on or at the price here, like $20. So you get a profit here. And in the images, you can go ahead for the product and download the images that you want to display, the t-shirts themselves, and make sure to download as well the size charts or the size guides, and go ahead and upload them to your product details. Add the shipping weight, add the sizes, add everything, and save it. And once you get an order, you can go ahead and ship it to your customer manually. Now, the other thing or the other option you can do is to use a third-party platform such as Oberlo to link both of them. However, please note that Oberlo works specifically with AliExpress. However, some products might overlap from AliExpress to Alibaba.